Welcome to Drainage Solutions LLC, where you can find all your do-it-yourself residential and commercial eco-friendly sewer and drain maintenance products. The brands of eco-friendly sewer and drain maintenance products that we offer are BioTab for septic systems, Maximizer DT Pro, Root X, and BioClean. Now let's review a little more information about these great products. BioTab for septic systems is a highly concentrated tablet of bacteria and enzymes that act as a biological activator for septic tanks. It is composed of organisms deemed safe by the EPA. BioTab is non-toxic to humans and animals. It is a non-corrosive and non-poisonous product that will not harm plumbing or septic systems. Maximizer DT Pro is an environmentally friendly drain cleaner used to remove organic material from drains, septic tanks, and grease traps. This custom-formulated blend of naturally occurring bacteria and enzymes surpasses any liquid product on the market today. Root X is the original simple and fast non-metal sodium foaming root control system. Root X comes in a very easy-to-use powdered formulation. It foams on contact with water to kill roots, inhibit regrowth, and restore pipe flow capacity. BioClean is a special combination of natural bacteria and enzymes that digests organic waste found in your plumbing system: grease, hair, soap scum, food particles, paper, cotton, and more. At Drainage Solutions, we offer drain maintenance solutions that will help eliminate the kind of emergencies that can damage your property or impair your business. We have helped many residential and commercial property owners and commercial establishments nationwide in resolving their drainage problems by implementing the correct maintenance solution for their specific needs. Do not hesitate to contact us. We look forward to serving you with our products.